welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be reviewing this unit that was sent over from Nadula Hair. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. As you can see, the unit is so pretty, but it also came with a few goodies, some eyelashes, a headband, some hair clips, and a wig cap. Okay, so let's get back to the unit. This gorgeous 30 color, which is like a ginger. Y'all know if y'all watch my channel, I love this color. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm just giving you a look at the hairline here. Looks pretty good. It is a 13x4 frontal, so you have some free parting space all in the front of the unit. 2 combs on each side, 1 comb down bottom, and adjustable straps. So I'm going to start by just trying the unit on and seeing how she fits. And yes, she is big head friendly, so I was very happy about that. She fit me ear to ear, which was great. I decided to go in with my Ebin Lace Tint Spray in the shade Light Warm Brown, just to very lightly and softly warm up the lace on the edges. Just very, very light, because if you press too hard, for me, it comes out a little orangey. So yeah, very lightly, very softly. Going to just deepen it up a bit. And now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and put her back on, cut the lace off, style her, customize her, and I'll be back at the end with my final thoughts. As you can see, I'm all finished styling this unit. This is the end result, and I love her, you guys. Let me know down in the comments how you are feeling her. But honey, this is cute. Nadula hair, y'all did that, okay? Y'all did all of that. So just in case you missed it, this unit is from Nadula Hair. She is 24 inches long and in the color 30, which is this gorgeous ginger color that you can see here. She's perfect for the fall, but even as we're transitioning into winter, like, this is just a pretty color all year round. And of course, this exact unit will be linked in the description box below if you're interested in all the specs and any extra details that you can find on their website. Let's get into my thoughts on this unit because I'm just loving her, as you can see. So starting off with big head friendly, yes, this unit is big head friendly, which is great because I really wanted her to like cover my entire hairline, all of my edges, and she is doing that with ease. She's very comfortable, so she is all size friendly. If you have a smaller head than I do, then you just want to go ahead and adjust those adjustable straps in the back to tighten her up, but she is good for all size heads. We talked about the color already. It's the 30 color, and it's just perfect. I'm in love. Y'all know I love this color so much. I even dyed my natural hair a color close to this. So yeah, the color to me is flawless. Now for this install, y'all, if you watch my channel regularly, then you know that for this install, I did decide to switch it up a little bit. I switched it up. I was like plucking, and I was trying to melt, and I was trying to, yeah, I really wanted to lay this one down. Speaking of laying down, shout out to my girl Silky Sacks for the elastic band. This will also be linked in the description box below. It does a great job of helping you melt that lace, okay? But yeah, I was really putting in some work with this unit, and I love, love, love the end result. I think she melted in so nicely, and you do get a nice deep parting space as well. And of course, because this is a 13x6 frontal, you do get parting options as far as middle, left, or right, so we always love that. Big hair, don't care. This hair is giving me all the big hair vibes that I need, that I crave, that I love. Y'all know if you watch this channel, this is a big hair, don't care kind of channel. And this hair can get even bigger than this if you take like a wide tooth comb and you kind of rake it out, or even if you just gently finger comb it out, you can get even bigger fluffiness than this. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna chill. I'm going to chill for this one. I'm going to just leave it like it is because I think she gives enough volume like this. And this is just like straight out the pack as she came. I love these curls. I love the definition. I love everything about it. Now, I would not say this unit is necessarily beginner friendly. If you're going to get a 13x6 frontal, especially a human hair one, then you want to have a little bit of experience in laying down your wig and making sure that you cut the lace properly and all of that good stuff. So this one is more like intermediate level. The luster and the density is just gorgeous. She is so full and just full of volume. Like, how could you not love this? How could you not love her? She is 24 inches long, as I mentioned, so you can see where she's falling on me. And let me turn around so you can see her from the back. This hair just makes me so happy, y'all. It makes me so happy. I got hardly any shedding from this unit and no tangling, so it's definitely made, you know, some quality. The hair is very soft and everything about it I love. Like, it's a 10 out of 10, honestly. So if you are feeling this color, you're feeling this texture, you're feeling this volume, make sure you check out that link below in the description box. And leave me a comment also on your thoughts on this unit. Is she too big for you, too curly for you, or do you love her just as much as I do? Let me know down in the comment section below. You know I love to talk back to y'all. And of course, I would like to give a special thank you to Nadula Hair for sending this unit over to me for review. She is gorgeous, so thank you so much. And of course, thank you if you made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching in full and continuing to support my channel. It really does mean so much to me. I do appreciate it. If you have any other questions for me, anything I didn't mention, then drop it down for me below. I will get back to you. If you enjoy videos like this, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And I will chat with you all later.